Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And your ASRock system is fully stuck on the first boot. Is only coming black screen and name. So guys, forcefully restart your system. So three time and after that it will come the repair automatic service. So you see after that click on the advance. So three time repeat, just turn on, again turn off, then again turn on, then again turn off. Then you have to click on this screen. After that it come this screen, then click to troubleshoot, advance and troubleshoot, then advanced options, then click on command from and you can see more options also there, system recovery image. Okay, again click to advanced option, then click to command from. Yeah, so this is a command sfc space slash scan now. Okay. So this command have to enter and this is coming because of I already try. That's why it's never accept. So no worry, you have to enter this command and then wait few seconds. It will complete. It will take some time. And now after that, try to this command csk space c column space slash f slash r. Okay, then hit enter. Now it will start some percentage, 2 to 3 phase. It will take time. Okay, so now first phase is going on. After that, second and third and fourth, and it will show zero bed files. It will also showing like bed sector in your system. Okay, now so this is a zero bed sector. Okay, it's going on, and this is zero bed file recorded process, and you can see also if it is some 10-15 byte file it's showing here means be your SSD issue. So no worry about this is chkdsc column slash rf. Then now this is first and this is 3%, and this is very useful for your system. Okay, okay, next boot rec space slash scan os and then hit enter. Okay, then next boot rac space rebuild os. Rebuild dcd, sorry. And then close it. After that click on windows continue, and after that it will start. Okay, thank you.